In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an audiobook with AI and clone your voice using ElevenLabs. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to create professional-sounding audiobooks from the comfort of your own home. Plus, if you're thinking about signing up, don't forget to use our affiliate link for a special offer. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is clone your voice using the ElevenLabs creative platform. Once you're on their website, look at the left panel where you'll see various options. You'll want to click on the Voices section. This is where the magic begins. Next, go over to the top right corner and click on Create or Clone a Voice. At this point, you'll have a couple of choices. You can either opt for an instant voice clone or go for a professional voice clone. Let me explain the difference. An instant voice clone is quick and only requires a minimum of 10 seconds of audio input. This is a great option if you're eager to get things moving swiftly. However, if you're looking for a more polished outcome, you might want to go with the professional voice clone, which requires at least 30 minutes of clean audio. This provides a more comprehensive voice model and improves the quality of the final product. Once you've followed the instructions provided by ElevenLabs to set up and clone your voice, you'll find your cloned voice in the My Voices tab. This is a handy feature that keeps everything organized for you. With your voice successfully cloned, it's time to move on to creating your audiobook. Head back to the left panel and click on Studio. Next, you'll want to create a new project, so click on New Blank Project. You'll then see an option to select Audio Project. Click on that to continue. Now, this is where you upload your written content. Click on Document to upload the file of the document you wish to turn into an audiobook. This could be anything from a favorite book to a script you've written. In the right panel, you'll see the option to choose a voice. Select the voice you've just created. This is a critical step, as it is the voice that will narrate your audiobook. Once your voice is selected, the platform will begin generating your audiobook audio. The great thing is, you can actually listen to and even edit your audiobook right in the editor as it's being created. This flexibility allows you to ensure everything is just right before finalizing your project, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create an audiobook using AI with your very own voice. Enjoy your creation.